Wowee Cleaner sounds like a powerful name, right? This product claims to be a super-powered, all-purpose cleaner and degreaser that can replace dozens of cleaning products around your home. But the big question is Wowee Cleaner really legit? Let's find out. The first positive sign is that Wowee Cleaner is available on Amazon, one of the most trusted online marketplaces. That's always a good start. It's easy to find, easy to buy, and since it's listed on such a reputable platform, it shows the product has passed some basic quality and authenticity checks. Now, another good thing is the features and benefits the brand highlights. Wowee Cleaner claims to have a super-powered formula that's ultra-concentrated, non-toxic, and pet-safe. They even call it an all-purpose wonder, designed to handle all kinds of cleaning tasks with ease. Sounds impressive, doesn't it? The third positive sign is that the brand provides clear instructions on how to use it. This really helps customers apply it correctly and get the best results. That kind of transparency adds to the product's reliability and makes it more user-friendly. The fourth positive sign is that the website also explains how Wowee Cleaner actually works. They show the science behind its cleaning power, which helps build trust. When a brand takes the time to explain what's going on behind the scenes, that's always a plus. Now, let's talk about the reviews. When we checked Amazon, we found that customer opinions are mixed. Some people absolutely loved it. They said it cleaned tough stains like oven doors easily with minimal scrubbing, but others weren't so happy. A few said it didn't work as shown in the ads and didn't remove grease even when used full strength. And then there were some middle ground reviews. People said it's good for light grease and everyday cleaning, but not strong enough for heavy baked-on messes. So, is Wowee Cleaner legit? Based on everything we've seen, yes, it appears to be a genuine product with a real online presence and clear product details. It's available on Amazon, it's transparent about how it works, and it has plenty of real customer reviews. However, keep your expectations realistic. It might not perform magic on tough, baked-on grime, but it could still be a handy cleaner for everyday messes. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.